तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ, most of the parents still think their children should be quiet and obedient. एउटा thought, मुख नफर्का, बढी नबोल, बाहिर खेल्न नजा, पानी परिरहेछ, पानीमा नभिज, टेबलमा नचढ, यसरी नउफ्री, धेरै पढ्न बस. कतिजनाले त्यो सुन्नु भएको छ when you were little. Just imagine how would you feel if someone did not want you to speak your feelings, not want you to do whatever you wanted to do without telling you any reason. बच्चाहरूले त्यतिखेर नै लर्न गर्नुहुन्छ, त्यतिखेर नै ग्रो गर्नुहुन्छ, त्यतिखेर नै आफ्नो स्किल्स, आफ्नो एबिलिटिज डेभलप गर्नुहुन्छ when they are able to express freely and explore freely. बच्चाहरूलाई बोल्ने मौका दिनुस्, बच्चाहरूलाई सुन्नुस्. So let's rethink of how we support our children to learn and grow. Follow me for more.